If you use a computer, the chances are you definitely know about Google, and you probably even use Google to search everything every day. And it is a website and a search engine where you can search everyday stuff and anything you want on it. And they're even the biggest companies in the world and the most well-known search engines in the world. And they are an amazing company. So, did you know you could be earning money by just searching on Google? I'm pretty sure you didn't, and today in this exact video, I will be showing you how to make money online by just searching on Google. You can even do this worldwide, no matter where you are. It is available worldwide to everybody, and don't worry, you do not need any sorts of experiences or skills to do this too. It's very simple and easy. Anybody can do this. Even I was able to do it within just a few minutes, and it was a very simple and easy way to make money online. Now let's really get started onto this money making methods. The first thing you need to remember is that we need two websites in order to do this. The first one being google.com and the second one being mindsumo.com. So mindsumo.com is a website where you basically get paid to answer stuff. But don't worry, the trick is basically searching on Google. Stay tuned and watch the video till the end to know about this. And by the way, if you just skip the video and go on MindSumo on your own, you might end up failing because you do not have any idea on what the secret Google search strategy is and how to earn money from it by searching on Google. So I highly recommend you watch till the end so you have a great understanding of how you can actually do it. So you can see MindSumo has been trusted by many companies like Pepsi, Microsoft, Amazon, Ericsson, Facebook, and American Express, Microsoft, Mercedes-Benz, and so many other companies. So you know they are a big company and they are a very trusted company. So when you scroll down, you will have lots of options, but before that, you need to sign up on their website. To sign up on their website, you're gonna click their login sign up button, and then you will be taken onto that get started page where you need to apply your username and everything. So the first section, you need to put your first name, last name, your location, email address, password, birth date, and everything, and your gender, and your creativity skills. So on the creativity skills, you need to put at least average. If you don't even have average, like it's lower than that, don't worry, just put average on everything. It's up to you what you want on what you want to put, but just don't put below average proficiency. Just put average or higher. It's all up to you how much you want to put it. I'm just gonna put it in average and everything, and you're gonna just a few more questions and everything. It's all optional. You do not have to put why are you interested in using MindSumo. I recommend not choosing that and all those stuff. And you can also put your personal reference name and your personal reference email. And also the last thing you're gonna do is simply check these two boxes where you need to agree to their terms and conditions, privacy policy, which you can read by clicking these buttons. And once you agree on these, you're just gonna click I am not a robot. But before I'm gonna click sign up, you need to make sure you do not check these three boxes. If you do check these three boxes, you're basically going to sign up to their email newsletter, which is not what we want. We do not want to sign up on their email newsletter. Unless you do want to, you can do that if you want. But I don't want to at the moment, so you do not have to really do that. So the next thing you're gonna do is go back to their website's homepage. So on their homepage, you will be taken onto the same page, but scroll down, you will have options for lots of things. And you can see here there are options for lots of surveys and everything you can get paid for. So you're gonna choose something you like. So for example, I'm just gonna choose this, create a new fruit product using rotisserie chicken. I'm gonna click that one. And then when you're on this page, you will have the option to sign up and put your results in. Now you can see you will be getting paid up to at least $1,000 with this method. So the next thing you're gonna do is copy this title or just type up roasted chicken and then go on Google. And I'm gonna search that chicken recipe. And then when you search that up on Google, you will have amazing list of recipes with that chicken. So I'm just gonna click on the random one. Let's just click on this one. And then the next thing you're gonna do is simply copy whatever's in here and then put it on Google Docs. You're gonna click on blank on Google Docs and then paste the thing you just copy it from here, and the next thing you're going to do is simply copy the link of your Google Drive and put it on that listing. So you're gonna submit that link of your answer, and then you can be getting up to paid at least $1,000. Now let's scroll down, and you can see the reward list is that top 10% will share $655. Now you will not be getting paid full $1,000, but it just depends. So if you score really good, you will be getting paid up to at least $625. But the people who don't put good content there, they don't get paid that much. But if you sign up, you will be getting paid a lot of money. And you can see on their submission questions, on the way you scroll down, you can put that yes and everything. Just gonna put those and put your solution here, and then click submit, and you will wait a few days and you will get your payment. Now you just need to repeat these same steps onto other listings on MindSumo. It's a very simple and easy trick to be making money online by just searching on Google. All you need to do is search on Google, copy and paste it on Google, copy the article and put it there, and add your own mixing and everything, and you will get paid. It's a very simple and easy way to make money by just searching on Google. Imagine how much you can be saving, the amount of time you can be saving with this method. It's a very efficient way to make money on Google. And it's a very fun way too. You like to search on Google, you definitely search on Google every day, and it's a very easy and simple trick to be earning money on Google. Now I hope this video helped you out a lot. If it did, make sure to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to the Make Money Moss channel to stay up to date with our latest money making videos, and leave a comment down below if you have any questions. I will surely answer all of your questions, and I will see you in the next video.